I'm Len Usvyat, Vice President of Integrated Care Analytics with Fresenius Medical Care in North America. So I think when it comes to artificial intelligence and machine learning, one of the key things people always think about is data and having a wealth of data available to do it. And of course, nephrology and kidney disease is very unique in that there is a lot of data available to us to be able to run these various machine learning algorithms, various AI methods. And so I think if there was one field of healthcare that is really primed for AI methodology, it's really nephrology and kidney disease, particularly on the dialysis side where patients do get treated so frequently and we collect so much information on our patients. So I think it's I think there's a number of different things. On the one hand, I think it's the importance of data, and I think the importance of data entry and documentation of what patients have, and also the keeping an open mind that some of the things that our nephrologists are doing now, that many of the things that they may be doing can actually be automated, and that they may not have to worry about, for instance, prescribing ESAs in the future, because I think that may be something that can be done through our machine learning methodologies, or prescribing, let's say, phosphate binders. This is not something that it's fairly routine. And I think as a nephrology community, they will probably have to concentrate on things that are a lot more unique, unusual, and much more complicated than I think fairly routine prescription of medications, as an example. This is definitely something that's primed for computer-based methodologies and machine learning methods. I think it's a super exciting time in this field that we're going through right now. I think some of the things that we're doing at Fresenius Medical Care, and we're certainly not unique in this aspect, but we're doing things like predicting when patients will go to the hospital, predicting when patients will not show up for their dialysis treatment, knowing using this wealth of data that we have, we can understand which patients will have high phosphorus levels in the future, and then we can intervene before something actually happens, and maybe either prescribe phosphate binders to patients a priori, or at least think about what may be wrong with the patient, that they should require some additional therapy. So there's a variety. Certainly in our organization, we have probably about 15 or 20 different models that we're running on our patients. And again, I think I want to make sure that to state that we're certainly not unique in that respect, that I think this field is very primed for doing those types of methodologies and methods.